Hello, my name's Tommy. I'm a data analyst in Wayflyer. Um, Connor asked me to do a quick video on learnomni.org. This is kind of side project I worked on off the back of us getting up to speed in the team with using Omni Analytics. Um, so before I go into it, I suppose I'll give some background around the thinking behind uh, putting this together. So one of the resources we've been using internally to upskill in Omni is the YouTube channel, and on this YouTube channel, there's a lot of content. I think there's about 600 or 700 videos, and each of these videos are some of them are short, some of them are longer, but each of these videos kind of cover different parts of the Omni product. You can see I've watched a good few of these now, and they're really good. But one thing I found when I was learning Omni was it's quite difficult to know where to start here. So like what's like the first video you should watch on day one of like picking up Omni, which is kind of where we're at the moment with some of the people on the team. So I suppose this is one resource that we've been using. Another resource is the Omni documentation here, which also has some pretty good content in it, but it's not immediately obvious where to go as like a beginner to start with Omni and from the basics up to something more advanced. So also as a reference point, what I'd kind of when I'd learned Tableau, which is obviously another BI tool, um, I'd done a lot of my learning off a Udemy course, which was quite a structured course, and you can go through the different chapters from intro level up to advanced. So I thought, why not maybe make a bit of a project out of taking these two sources, the Omni Docs and Omni Analytics YouTube videos, and put them into something that has a look and feel a little bit similar to maybe a Udemy course or Khan Academy course. So this is what it was that what we put together. Um, this was actually all done in Cursor. I just kind of laid out a plan for what I wanted and the sources and kind of put it together in an hour or two. So it's definitely still rough around the edges, but thought it was kind of a cool side project to work on. So what you can see here is we've broken the course down into 8 chapters, starting from beginner all the way up to more advanced features and then real world applications. Um, the course is like 10 hours long at the moment, but this definitely could be like trimmed back or improved, maybe even more content here for more advanced lessons. But once you like jump in to start learning, you can kind of see it looks and feels very similar to like a Khan Academy course or a Udemy course, where as you complete the different sections of the course, you mark them as complete. And if you're brand new to Omni and you're trying to get up to speed here, you can kind of put aside some time every day or every week to kind of complete a little bit of this course. With the theory being that like once you finish your 61 lessons, you should be, you know, fairly up to speed with Omni and in a better place to go and kind of start building your own dashboards. Um, so yeah, I kind of said I'd do a quick demo of this here. I kind of put it up on this learnomni.org domain. And also I just kind of published the code as well to this public repo. So anyone can kind of jump in there and check it out. Yeah, so that's just a really quick run through of Learn Omni. Yeah, cheers for your time.